Well, good morning, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service here in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest Hazardous weather briefing for Northern Lower and East Upper Michigan. Today is Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2013. Taking a look at our hazards, we're still dealing with periodic thunderstorm chances, and that will continue across all of Northern Michigan from this morning right through early this evening. The storms this morning look to be non-severe, with just some locally heavy rain possible with a stronger activity. However, this afternoon we're expecting additional thunderstorms to develop, and some of those could be severe, so we are expecting some isolated severe storms possible this afternoon and early evening, and primarily from a Traverse City to East Tawas line and point south, with damaging wind gusts of 60 miles per hour being the primary threat with that activity. Taking a look at the current weather map, you can see a stationary front bisecting the lower peninsula, with an area of showers and thunderstorms riding along that front, just now beginning to impact areas down by Manistee and Frankfort. That round of showers and thunderstorms should fade out rather quickly this morning, with additional activity back upstream expected to redevelop and intensify this afternoon as an additional low pressure you see over South Dakota rides along that front. And it'll be that activity that may spawn at least an isolated severe weather threat this afternoon and early evening, once again from Traverse City to East Tawas and point south being the primary threat zone. You can see by this evening that low pressure has moved into southwest Michigan with a stationary front just off to our south. This system will push further off to the east through the overnight hours, ending the shower and thunderstorm threat from northwest to southeast as it does so. You can see here the latest severe weather graphic issued by the Storms Forecast Center in Oklahoma has a slight risk extending once again from about Traverse City, East Tawas, and point south across all of southern lower Michigan. And once again, that'll be primarily this afternoon and early evening, and with the main threat being damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. At this time, this does not look like a widespread event, but once again, that can change. And so continue to monitor conditions through this morning and early afternoon. Another busy weather graphic. You can see scattered showers and thunderstorms on the graphic, with temperatures once again above normal, mainly in the 80s, and it'll be rather humid out there too. Recapping those hazards, once again thunderstorms. There will be periodic thunderstorm chances right through this evening. Isolated severe storms once again possible this afternoon, once again from about Traverse City to East Tawas and point south, with wind gusts to 60 miles per hour being the primary threat. You can't rule out an isolated large hailer with some of the stronger activity. In addition, any storms today will be capable of producing locally very heavy rainfall, with rainfall rates at times exceeding 1 inch per hour. Now this concludes the Hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks again for taking the time to listen. Your next update is expected around 5 p.m. this afternoon.